Welcome to English Profound Path. Listen and practice. My day starts in the morning when the sun comes up. I wake up and stretch in my cozy bed. It's a new day with new adventures waiting for me. I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. It's important to start the day feeling fresh and clean. After that, I head to the kitchen for breakfast. I usually have cereal or toast with jam. It's a tasty way to begin the day. Then, I get ready for the day. I put on my clothes and shoes. I make sure to tie my shoelaces properly, just like my parents taught me. I'm all set to go. I go to school in the morning. It's a place of learning, and I have a lot of friends there. We study different subjects like math, reading, and science. Our teachers help us understand new things, and we do fun activities in class. At school, we also have a break, and that's when I get to play with my friends. We run around, play games, and have a great time. It's a chance to laugh and have fun together. Lunchtime is when we eat delicious food. Sometimes I bring a lunchbox from home, and other times I get lunch at the school cafeteria. It's a time to sit with my friends and chat while we eat. After school, I come back home. My parents are there to greet me, and it's always nice to see them. We talk about our day, and I share what I learned at school. They're proud of my efforts. In the evening, I have some free time to do the things I enjoy. I might read a book, draw pictures, or play with my toys. It's a chance to be creative and have fun. Dinner is a special time for my family. We sit around the table and eat together. We talk and share stories. It's a time for us to be close and enjoy each other's company. After dinner, I get ready for bed. I take a warm bath and put on my pajamas. My parents read me a bedtime story, and it's a lovely way to end the day. I close my eyes, and as I drift off to sleep, I think about the wonderful day I had. My day may be simple, but it's filled with joy, learning, and love. Every day is a new adventure, and I'm grateful for all the moments I get to experience. My evening routine. My evenings are my favorite time of the day. It's when the sun starts to set, and everything becomes calm and peaceful. My evening routine is simple, but it brings me so much joy and relaxation. As the sun begins to lower in the sky, I start by taking a leisurely walk. I put on my comfortable shoes and head outside. The air is cooler in the evening and it feels refreshing. I walk around my neighborhood and I often see my neighbors doing the same. We exchange smiles and greetings, creating a sense of community. After my walk, I return home and head straight to the kitchen. I enjoy making a warm cup of tea that helps me feel relaxed. I pick from different tea flavors. I let the tea sit, and the nice smell spreads around. With my cup of tea in hand, I find a cozy spot in the living room. I love to curl up on the sofa with a soft blanket. It's my quiet time to read a book. I escape into different worlds and adventures through the pages. Reading is not just a hobby. It's a way for me to relax and forget about the stresses of the day. As the evening progresses, I often listen to some calming music. The music sets the mood and helps me feel at ease. Dinner is a simple affair. I prepare a light meal, often a salad or a bowl of soup. I like to keep it easy and healthy. I eat slowly, savoring each bite, and I feel grateful for the nourishment. Before bedtime, I take a few moments for reflection. I think about the day, the things I'm thankful for, and any goals I want to achieve. It's a time for setting intentions and counting my blessings. My evening routine may not be lavish, but it's my cherished time to unwind and find peace. It's a simple sequence of activities that bring me comfort and joy. It's during these calm moments that I truly appreciate the beauty of life and the serenity of the evening. My school. My school is a special place where I spend a big part of my day. It's more than just a building. It's a place where I learn, make friends, and create lasting memories. The school building is quite big, with many classrooms, a library, a playground, and a canteen. It's like a small world on its own. Every day I enter the school gates with a sense of excitement, not only for the learning but also for the adventures that await. My teachers are like guiding stars. They are kind and patient, helping us understand different subjects like math, science, and English. They encourage us to ask questions and explore new ideas. I feel fortunate to have such caring teachers who make learning a joy. But what makes my school truly special is the friendships I've formed. I've met so many friends from different backgrounds and places. We study together, play together, and support each other. The school library is a magical place filled with books of all kinds. I can spend hours there, flipping through pages, discovering new stories, and getting lost in different worlds. It's a place that fuels my imagination and love for reading. Our school playground is a place of laughter and fun. We run, play games, and create memories that make us smile. It's a place where we learn about teamwork, competition, and the importance of staying active. I also love the school canteen. It's where we enjoy delicious food during lunch breaks. I sit with my friends, sharing stories and laughter over meals. In conclusion, my school is more than just a place of learning. It's a place of growth, friendship, and discovery. It's where I meet my wonderful teachers, make lifelong friends, and create beautiful memories. My school is like a second home, and I'm grateful for all the experiences it offers. My best teacher? My favorite teacher, Mrs. Sarah, holds a special place in my heart. She is more than just an instructor. She is a guiding light who has illuminated my path of learning with warmth and wisdom. Mrs. Sarah's teaching style is extraordinary. She has the incredible ability to take complex ideas and make them understandable for everyone. Her lessons are like a journey of discovery, where she encourages questions and discussions, making every topic come alive. What sets her apart is her boundless patience to help her students. No matter how many questions we ask, she greets them with a smile and answers them with care. Her office door is always open, and she's there to provide guidance not only in the classroom, but also in life's challenges. Mrs. Sarah really loves teaching. Her eyes shine with excitement when she talks about subjects like literature and science. This makes us all start to really enjoy learning too. She inspires us to be curious, to explore beyond the textbooks, and to think critically. Beyond academics, she imparts valuable life lessons. She teaches us about kindness, respect, and the importance of perseverance. Mrs. Sarah is not just a teacher. She's a mentor who helps us become better individuals. But what makes her truly special is her unwavering support. In times of difficulty, she is there, offering a listening ear and words of encouragement. She believes in us, even when we doubt ourselves, and that belief has the power to move mountains. I remember a time when I was struggling with a particularly challenging assignment. Mrs. Sarah saw my frustration and sat down with me, patiently guiding me through the steps. Her faith in my abilities and her gentle guidance helped me overcome my obstacles, and I completed the task successfully. In conclusion, Mrs. Sarah is not just my favorite teacher, she is my hero. Her dedication to teaching, her kindness, and her unwavering support have made a profound impact on my life. Mrs. Sarah is not just a teacher, she is a beacon of inspiration and a beloved mentor in my journey of education and personal growth.